gentlemen, please welcome Paul Burns.
What's most important to us is that the people that we work with, including our leadership, are trained and able to perform their work according to the conditions of the place in which they work, which is very, very important. It's a critical element within the organisation. It's fully supported by our leadership. The ACWA Power organisation, we have developed 4 different pathways. The pathways are relating to, these are HSSE competency pathways for the people that we're working with. And the competency pathways is not just focused on the person that's performing the work in the operational asset, this is leadership also.